Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venue 2 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Then press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called activities and apps, tap on it, and here scroll down through the list. And at the bottom of the list you should see the installed apps. I have two apps right here that I installed previously, and to remove the app, find the app you want to remove, tap on it, scroll down and tap on the option called delete from this device, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, the app is gone from your watch, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.